Dear learners, how are you? I think you are keeping well by the grace of Almighty God. I am also fine. Dear learners, you know that we are passing through a critical moment because of COVID 19. Dear learners, we are facing a serious problem called COVID 19. In this time, we are fa- facing a serious problem, and this problem has taken an epidemic form. Every day, it has taken away many valuable lives. Dear learners, I suggest you or advise you to stay home, use your mask, use sanitizer, and maintain social distance in order to save yourselves from this disease. At first, I would like to thank all of the viewers, all of the honorable teachers, all of the respected guardians who are watching this video. I welcome once again to my class. This class has been designed especially for the students of class 9 and 10. I advise you to open your notebook, bring some papers, and bring a pen so that you can take notes whenever necessary. Dear learners, this class is very important. Today, I am here to take an English class. Dear learners, now I will show you some slides. Let's enjoy the class. Welcome to my class, Port Secondary School. I want to introduce myself. This is Himanshu Saha, Assistant Teacher of English of Port Secondary School, Khalishpur, Khulna. Class 9 and 10, subject English second paper, topic simple, complex and compound, presented by Himanshu Saha, Assistant Teacher English. Going to school, comma, I eat rice. I go to going to house, comma, I eat rice. I go to house and eat rice. When I go to house, comma, I eat rice. What do the lines refer? Yes, this lines refers to simple, compound and complex. Yes, today's topic is simple, compound and complex. Target: at the end of the lesson, the students will be able to: number 1, identify simple, compound and complex. Number 2, change from simple to compound and complex. How to change from simple to compound and complex? Let's try now. Simple, to or in order to. In compound sentence we have to use and complex sentence we have to use so that or in order that. Now I will show you some examples. Simple, we eat to live. Compound, we eat and we can live. Complex, we eat so that we can live. Simple, they played well to win. Compound, they played well and they won. Complex, they played well so that they could win. Simple, 2 in compound we have to use very and in complex we have to use so that, such as simple, he was too tired to walk. Compound, he was very tired and he could not walk. Complex, he was so tired that he could not walk. Simple, the box is too heavy to carry. Compound, the box is very heavy and I cannot carry. Complex, the box is so heavy that I cannot carry. Simple, in spite of or despite. In compound sentence we have to use but, and in complex sentence we have to use though or although. For example, simple, despite being poor, comma, he is honest. Compound, he is poor but he is honest. Complex, though he is poor, he is honest. Simple, in spite of his illness, he could not come to college. Compound, he was ill and he could not come to college. Complex, though he was ill, comma, he could not come to college. Simple, present participle, that is verb plus ing. In compound we have to use and in complex we have to use when or as. For example, simple, going to garden, comma, I saw a bird. Compound, I went to the garden and saw a bird. Complex, when I went to the garden, comma, I saw a bird. Simple, being punished, comma, he wept. Compound, he was punished, comma, he wept. Complex, he was punished and so he wept. Simple, because of, we have to use in compound and in complex we have to use since or as. For example, simple, because of his weakness, comma, he could not come. Compound, he was weak and could not come. Complex, since he was weak, comma, he could not come. Simple, because of his honesty, comma, he became great. Compound, he was honest and he became great. Complex, since he was honest, comma, he became great. Simple, by plus gerund. In complex we have to use and complex. Compound we have to use and in complex we have to use if. Such as simple, by reading more, comma, you will secure GPA 5. Compound, read more and you will secure GPA 5. Complex, if you read more, comma, you will secure GPA 5. Simple, by playing well, comma, they can win the match. Compound, they play well and they can win the match. Complex, if they play well, comma, they can win the match. Simple, without plus gerund. In compound we have to use or and in complex we have to use if. That is, for example, simple, without working hard, comma, you cannot be healthy. Compound, work hard or you cannot be healthy. Complex, unless you work hard, comma, you cannot be healthy. Simple, without doing, comma, you will die. Compound, do or die. Complex, unless you do, comma, you will die. Or if you do not do, comma, you will die. Simple, in or at or during or at the time of. In compound we have to use and complex we have to use when. For example, simple, he woke up at the time of raining. Compound, it was raining and he woke up. Complex, he woke up when it was raining. Simple, at morning, comma, I go to school. Compound, it was morning and I go to school. Complex, when it is morning, comma, I go to school. Simple adjective, in compound we have to use and in complex we have to use that or which or who, that is relative pronoun. For example, simple, it was a red ball. Compound, it was a ball and it was red. Complex, it was a ball that or which was red. Simple, I have a black pen. Compound, I have a pen and it is black. Complex, I have a pen which is black. Dear learners, due to worldwide corona pandemic, we all are passing our days with great concern. I suggest you to stay at home with 100% cleanliness of the surroundings and pass your time studying books. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Don't go out without wearing your mask. I once again suggest you or advise you to stay at home, use masks, use sanitizer and maintain social distance in order to save yourselves from this disease. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.